So we have a mission this morning. We're gonna mount the stone stamper we have received. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna show you how we're gonna do it. And hopefully it works. So I think first we have to mount that part that goes onto the car, and then afterwards we have to mount it on the caravan. So let's see. And Ozzy is our helper for today. Yeah, that bracket has to go in between there, and depends on what sort of hitch you got. You got a different bracket. Ozzy is always there to help. So this is the part that goes onto the car. You can come back. Ozzy, you right?
That's so, huh? Nice. This looks good.
Looks good. Ozzy, what do you think? All good? You just have to make sure it's flush. That bracket is flush to here, that it's not standing out. And then it's good. So, and after you have attached those brackets, you can hook it on with the D-shackles, and it's a snug fit, that's what we're after. So perfect, it's a good sign. So we measured the right way, which is always good. You can't trust us in those things, but this time we did it right. Now we have to attach a bracket on the toolbox on each side. So after a bit of sweat, with the sun coming up and the weather is warming up, we finished, and it's looking good. Yeah. Here it is, all done, and hopefully it will prevent some stone damage. That's the goal. So let's see, so far so good. And if the stone stamper is not in use, we have those pockets things, and Schatzi is gonna show you how to do it. And then we just put the pocket over it. Yeah, now you got the hang of it. And that way it's very neat, and you can leave it on while driving around without the caravan, which I think is pretty good. And you got a latch in the middle there to latch those two pockets together so they can't slide off while driving, which is a good idea. Thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed this episode. We really appreciate your support. Please do like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. See you later.
Alligator.